My previous video, I did a video on a Beko 19LL250 with a backlight issue where two of the bottom lamps were not working because of an open circuit output transformer on the secondary side. I know I said the primary side in the video. That was my mistake. I should have said secondary side. And I got a comment from a subscriber asked me, could I not just get it up working with two of the lamps working? And I replied saying that I possibly could, but is it worth it? But I thought about it then, and I said, really, I'll have a look and see what can be done to get it up working. It's not a thing that should be done because you're overriding the manufacturer's safety circuits when you're doing this. That's a thing you have to bear in mind when you're doing this. If it was for myself, yes, I would do this because I wouldn't leave it plugged in or unattended if I knew about it. But I went looking for a data sheet on the control IC which would give me the details of what's required on the feedback from these output circuits, and I found this fan 7314, and funny enough it does closely relate to the circuit I have on this power supply. It's very similar. Maybe the circuit reference numbers are different, but these are all these diodes are here. They are actually there, these transformer 1, 2 and the two MOSFETs. What I did was to overcome the protection was we have on here pins 1 and 2, which is our two protection pins. You got overload protection, and you got or overload. I'm not too sure what that is. I think it's open lamp something. I think that is. It detects if you got an open lamp, if it's open. That will trip it as well, and this is overload if you have a short or something. Overload protection, OLP. So what I did was on one of the outputs I disconnected 3 of these diodes from the circuit, which well, there's actually 6 diodes if you look at it very closely. There's 2 in each one of those packages. So I undone the 6 diodes, took them out of the circuit altogether and gave it a try and see what happened. And funny enough, it just works. It works no problem. It's probably shut down now. I had it working there for about 10-15 minutes, but because there's no signal on it, I don't have analog TV anymore here. I'd have to connect it up to a signal source to keep it running. But the main point is, yes, it does run on 2 lamps, and it looks okay with a snowy raster as it did when I turned it on first. I will give you a look at that now in 1 minute. Okay. I have the unit plugged in now, and what I'll do is I'll take it out of standby. You see the backlights come on. I left the 2 output lamps disconnected, as the output transformer, bottom transformer, is open circuit anyway, so it makes no difference. And let's see, let's get a picture and make sure I don't disconnect my lead to the PC, otherwise I'll stop recording. And I can notice it now through the lens of the camera more so that it's darker at the bottom. It is darker there, but through the lens of the camera it's more noticeable than actually looking at it here. And is it worth doing this? I don't know. I just done it as an experiment because a subscriber asked me, can it be done? And yes, it can be done. I'll take out the power supply and just show you the diodes I removed. The 4 diodes I took out are here. If we show you our transformer TR2051. There's our 3 pins there of the output, and we come down here. We have a diode there, D2054, D2055, and we see D2058 and D2057. They're all there in one spot, very closely put together, and removing all those got rid of protection. As I say, removing the diode protection actually is removing the manufacturer's protection in the event that something goes wrong with the output. Your output lamps, you have a short circuit, open circuit lamps, arcing, things like that. It's not advisable to do this and leave it running without protection, but for myself here, I could do it. But is it worth doing it for a customer and taking the risks if something happened? I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do a modification for someone in a customer's house for this. Okay, at least we know it can be done. All right, thanks for watching.